Welcome to the Parrot video training series, designed to provide insight into the proper installation and training of the Parrot business recording suite. This video will guide you through the manual process of backing up Parrot database. You should perform a periodic backup of certain mission-critical data, regardless of the robustness of your Parrot voice server. This is video number 8 in the Parrot training series. At any time, you can press the pause button on your media player while performing this task. From the Parrot server, you will select the Start button, go to All Programs, identify Microsoft SQL Server 2005 from the menu, and then you will select SQL Server Management Studio. If you're running 2005 SQL Express, it'll be identified with SQL Server Management Studio Express. The backup procedure for both full-blown SQL 2005 and SQL Express is identical. Now we'll select Connect. In here, the database is a named instance. If you used a default instance during the SQL installation, more than likely it will appear as the Parrot server name. You will connect. Once it's open and you've connected, you will select Databases. And now the databases that you need to back up are the Parrot config database, which contains account configuration regarding criteria, which is recording criteria, groups, ACD agents, and port numbers. The Parrot DVD contains a list of all DVDs that have been archived. If you're archiving to DVD, you will need to back this database up. The Parrot log, contains client log on and log off history and client download history as well. And the Parrot record log, which will contain, if you're running SQL 2005 Standard Edition, will contain up to 5 files when cache is full. If it's SQL Express 2005, it'll contain 1 file when cache is full. If you're running 6.2 and beyond, it'll contain 2 files. To do a backup, you will select Parrot config, right mouse click, select tasks, select backup, verify the backup type is full, backup set the name, and then in the Parrot, the backup to this is the destination. Select OK. Once it's completed successfully, select OK, and then you can move on to the next database. So we'll select DVD, right mouse click, select tasks, select backup, verify it's full, then select OK. Once it's completed, select OK, and then on to the next log, which is the Parrot log. Highlight, right mouse click, select tasks, select backup, backup type is full, select OK, and OK. And finally, the call record log database. This is associated with the actual WHI files. This is the database entries for each WHI file that is created. Depending on the number of calls that have been cached, this may take several minutes to complete. So I will select it, right mouse click, select tasks, then select backup. Select OK. Now it's completed. Once you've completed the backup of your database, you can go ahead and close out of SQL Server Management Studio. And to find, you can go into the right mouse click on Start to open Windows Explorer. And then we want to go down to Program Files, Microsoft SQL Server, MSQL, .1, MSQL, and the backup. And there are the databases that we have completed the backup for. If you want, you can right mouse click and send to desktop as create a shortcut. And now you can back up the files to a USB and store in a safe place, or Now that you've identified the databases that can be backed up, you can contact your DBA and he can automate this process for you. If you have any questions, please refer to the Call Parrot documentation. Thank you and have a good day.